Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that are ready to take your gaming experience to the next level. On the left, we have the mighty MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi, and on the right, the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard. It's time to find out which one will reign supreme. Buckle up, folks. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect for many of us, the price. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi comes in at a wallet-friendly $199, while the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard demands a bit more at $289. Ouch, looks like the ASUS board is playing hard to get. But is it worth the extra dough? Let's find out. Moving on to the processor support, both boards are ready to rock with the AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. So, no matter which one you choose, you'll be future-proofed and ready to tackle the latest games and applications. When it comes to memory support, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi boasts DDR5 memory compatibility. That's right, folks, the latest and greatest memory technology for blazing fast performance. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard supports PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer speeds. It's a tough call between DDR5 and PCIe 4.0, but both options will give you a performance boost. Let's talk about keeping things cool. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi comes equipped with a premium thermal solution, featuring a 7W pad, additional choke thermal pad, and the M.2 Shield Frozr. These features are designed to keep your system running at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. On the other side, the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard boasts massive VRM heatsinks, strategically cut airflow channels, and high conductivity thermal pads. It's like a spa day for your motherboard. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard takes the lead here with one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, 10 additional rear USB ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C front panel connector, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and one PCIe 5.0 x16 safe slot. Talk about being spoiled for choice. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi holds its own with a solid array of connectivity options, but ASUS definitely takes the crown in this category. Last but not least, let's dive into the additional features that make these motherboards stand out. The ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard comes with ASUS exclusive two-way AI noise cancellation and AI networking, perfect for gamers who want to focus on the game without any distractions. It also offers ASUS exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting, giving you that extra touch of personalization. On the other side, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi offers Core Boost and Memory Boost technologies, ensuring you get the best performance, stability, and compatibility. It's a tough call, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Based on online reviews, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi is highly recommended for its solid performance, user-friendly BIOS, and good value for its price. Reviewers also praised its networking options and stylish design. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard received positive feedback for its performance, useful ports, and future-proofing capabilities. However, there were some concerns about initial setup and customer support. Overall, both motherboards have their strengths, and it's up to you to decide which one suits your gaming needs. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi and the ASUS ROG Strix B650E-F gaming Wi-Fi AM5 Ryzen 7000 gaming motherboard has come to an end. Both boards have their strengths and weaknesses, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your gaming needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information on these products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic product comparisons. Until next time, happy gaming!